In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage formatting issues in Hubspot. If you've ever run into the frustration of inconsistent or messy formatting in your Hubspot contacts and wonder how to clear it up, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through a simple yet effective process so you can tidy up your CRM efficiently. To get started, first we need to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. This is your starting point for everything Hubspot related, so head over to Hubspot's website through your preferred browser. Once you're on the homepage, you will see the login option in the top right corner. Click on login to enter your credentials. If you haven't done this before, make sure your login credentials are ready. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Hubspot home, your central hub for navigating different Hubspot tools. From Hubspot home, the next step is to go to the CRM section. Look for the CRM link. This is short for Customer Relationship Management, which is one of HubSpot's core features. Once you're there, you'll immediately see options that allow you to organize and manage your contacts efficiently. Now we're going to focus on the contacts section. Clicking on contacts will lead you to a comprehensive list of all stored contacts. This list is where you can directly access specific contact details, manage their information, and most importantly, solve any formatting challenges you encounter. With the contacts page open, locate the Actions button. This menu is home to various functions you can perform on your contact data. Clicking on it will reveal an option that's crucial for today's task: Fix formatting issues. Selecting this option lets you instantly begin addressing any discrepancies or errors in the data formatting. Clicking on Fix Formatting Issues will begin the process of identifying and resolving these problems. HubSpot offers a user-friendly interface here, guiding you through possible issues and suggesting solutions. This functionality is invaluable, especially if you find yourself with a large database that's been jumbled by different data entry methods over time. While HubSpot does a great job automating much of this process, it's worth mentioning that maintaining clean data is an ongoing process. Regularly checking and managing formatting issues ensures your data stays actionable and reliable, which is crucial for informed decision making. There you have it, a straightforward way to view and manage formatting issues in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can keep your CRM data clean and efficient, which in turn makes it easier to use when you most need it. Remember that a little maintenance goes a long way in preventing larger data issues down the road. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and happy CRM managing.